Good afternoon, everyone. Exactly where will Mumbai top cop Parambir Singh now hide? This is the same Mumbai top cop that tried to falsify a complaint against Republic TV for his own vested interests and personal vendetta. This is the same Mumbai police that tried to suggest within 2 days of an FIR by Hansa Research against a channel that there is no evidence against that channel, but all evidence is against Republic TV. Well, all of that has been exposed, and how? My colleague Niranjan is joining us. We have Swapnil Kothari, Madhu Kishwar, Savio Rodriguez all with us on the show as we bring you more of that report by Hansa Research. Remember, this is the associate of BARC, the ratings agency that had filed that FIR in which India Today and others were named. But on the back of that FIR, Mumbai top cop Parambir Singh tried to attack Republic TV. Now, we've accessed this 7-page Hansa Research report that reveals more of exactly who is behind the alleged TRP scam. Let's go across to my colleague Niranjan for this.
Shivani, where do I begin? Swapnil, Shivani, Madhu Kishwar and Savio. Remember the big words, let me remind you. In fact, I have it open in front of me. Let me remind you, let me start from where Parambir Singh started, right? Let me start from where Parambir Singh started. The words used by Parambir Singh when he addressed the news conference, right? Advertisers are cheated. Let me start from the bottom. He said advertisers are cheated. Let me start from the bottom and then go to the beginning of the story. He said advertisers are cheated. He said undeserving TV channels get a windfall of unlawful gains and unjust enrichment by interference in the panel house and thereby causing loss to deserving channels and to advertisers. As far as general public in the state is concerned, it is nothing but a clear case of attempt to interfere with the personal viewing habits and also a violation of information based on them. The general public is also defrauded. I repeat, general public is also defrauded as they are fraudulently induced to frequently view the channels believing the TRP ratings to be true. And Mr. Parambir Singh also spoke about how there are so many advertisers, crores and crores of money, proceeds of crime, etc., right? Now let's come to the original report based on which the FIR was filed. This is the report. It's a 7-page report. I've picked out the key portions and I'm going to read out from this and I want to go across to our panelists. Details. Mr. Vinay asked, it says 17th of June 2020, Vishal visited BARC office at Parel and met Hansa operations manager and BARC vigilance team very informed that in November 2019, Vishal received a call from someone known Mr. Vinay. Mr. Vinay asked him to approach the 5 panel homes in Mumbai and ask them to watch. Wait for it. Mr. Vinay asked him to approach the 5 panel homes in Mumbai and ask them to watch India Today television daily for 2 hours. I repeat, India Today television daily for 2 hours. He said, and here are the message details. During discussion, Vishal shared a few WhatsApp communication messages with several phone numbers containing messages with the panel home members. Details of the content. Let me read out the content. Message by Vishal. मुझे चैनल का कैश आता है, अब वो भी नहीं लेने का सकता. Message by Vishal. मेरे चैनल का पे आएगा 11 या 12 को करता पूरा देता हूँ मैं. तेरे को पूरा देता हूँ. Message by Vishal. 25 को नया चैनल आ रहा है, तो उसका भी एडवांस पेमेंट कर दूंगा. Message by contact person. Send me the name and number of the person of India TV. We don't know whether it's India TV or India Today, so that's a disclaimer. Here it says, send me the name and number of the person of India TV. Message by Vishal, Ganesh, comma, wait for it. Ganesh, comma, India Today, comma, any issue, call me, I will send him. Swapnil, Hansa 7-page report, basis on which the FIR was filed, basis on which witnesses were taken on record, including on Republic TV, the witness, one of the witnesses named here, Tejal Solanki, named here in the BARC report as well, and the Hansa report, Tejal Solanki, Kandivli West. We spoke to her. Basis on which the FIR was filed, basis on which Hansa prepared this report, basis on which, I don't know what's going on. There are 6 to 7 hard pieces of evidence, and then the Mumbai Police Commissioner, Mr. Parambir Singh, says, there is no evidence against India Today. They've all spoken out against Republic TV. After months of investigation, Swapnil.
Niranjan, Shivani, I was initially laughing because, 755% more than India Today. Actually, I was trying to see if there was a mistake by you guys to look at the decimal point. But there was no decimal point in 755 at all. And there was no decimal point in 245% and Times Now also. So I was wondering that whether I read it correctly or not, or whether, with reading too much of legal documents, my eyesight is failing. But then I read it, I looked at it again and I saw that there is no decimal point. So I don't think that there is any comparison between the two channels at all whatsoever in terms of viewership or in terms of anything whatsoever. Now, as far as going legally, strictly legally by this particular report that you have brought out, I suggest that yesterday's confirmation statement from the CEO of BARC and this report both need to be put on republicworld.com.
No, we've done it.
That's number one, so that the viewers know the truth.
We've done it. We've done it and we've hammered it. Swapnil, we've done it. We've hammered it. We've sent it to everybody to tell them the truth.
Perfect.
So let me, Swapnil, let me tell you. Let me recap this. Let me recap this for our viewers. Okay. Hansa report based on which the FIR was filed. So the Hansa report is evidence number one. This is a 7-page Hansa report. Second, the FIR also names India Today. That's hard evidence number 2. Third, there is an eyewitness who spoke to Republic TV, also named in the report, Tejal Solanki, who also confirmed to Republic that she took money and was asked to watch India Today. Evidence number 3, there was an Op India report that spoke about how BARC had fined India Today 5 lakh rupees for viewership malpractice. That Shivani was also there when we broke that story yesterday. Hard evidence number 4. Hard evidence number 5, India Today's admission in a statement a little before 9 p.m. which we broke last night. Swapnil, admitting that they were fined by BARC, right? 5 pieces of evidence staring at you, Savio, staring at you, and you had the guts to collude and try and launch this witch hunt against Republic TV, hoping that you'll get Parambir Singh to trap us.
Yeah. Niranjan, my point is very simple.
It's very unfortunate.
This is a very, very
Niranjan,
damning
it's
evidence which is
unfortunate.
against... Okay. Let Savio finish, then I'll come with the legal aspect.
Yeah. Go ahead, Savio.
Okay. Thank you, Swapnil. Niranjan, it's very unfortunate that the Mumbai Police Commissioner has resorted to using fake news to target the Republic TV network. It's very unfortunate because the evidences that have been shown, the evidences that Republic has made public right now, clearly shows the television company that is actually working on fraudulent means to increase its TRPs, which is India Today. That was what Hansa Research also said. That is what the FIR also said. That is what that witness on your program also said. Now, Parambir Singh has definitely got a very strong hate and malice against Republic TV. But you cannot do this. He should step down right away because this is targeting.
I just
Now
want to come
imagine
in
the
very
scenario,
briefly.
Niranjan. This is a man who's got an enmity with Arnab and Republic. Sorry? And he stooped to so
one second,
level,
sorry to
such
interrupt
a
you. I
level.
just differ
Imagine what
when
would
you
happen
said
if it
fake
was a
news.
common man.
Precisely. But I differ when you say fake news. They have not tried to use
Sorry,
fake
Shivani, I
news
can't hear
against
you.
Republic TV. They have tried to concoct
No,
fix Republic TV. Very two different things. It's not that there was some fake news on the basis of which a complaint was filed
Correct.
against
On
Republic
false
TV and used
information.
and quoted by the commissioner there, Madhu Kishwar. The commissioner is trying to fix a media channel. The facts that we've tried to put on air clearly show that he gave a clean chit to one, fixed and falsified a case against another Madhu Kishwar. This is as serious as it gets.
Exactly, which is false.
There's a popular Hindi saying, उल्टा चोर कोतवाल को डांटे. ट्रेजेडी ये है कि यहाँ तो चोर ने कोतवाल को अपना बिजनेस पार्टनर बना लिया है, क्योंकि both of them are in trouble. India TV is India Today is in trouble because of competition from Republic. They can't face the competition. Given the kind of nimby-pamby and mischievous slant they give to news, they are being rejected by viewers. And it's not just the triumph of Republic we are witnessing. Republic is triumphing because Republic stands up for India against break-up India forces. That's the secret of Republic's victory over rival TV channels who are willing to be instruments in the hands of break-up India forces, the Tukde Tukde gang. Now, I want to bring another fact to your notice. Please do double check, but I have it from very confirmed sources. In the Hathras case, India Today and several other channels which went banging at a Yogi Adityanath government and took a very hostile view of the Hathras murder case. Whoever murdered it will come out soon. Do you know one of the reasons why they did so, among others? Because Yogi Adityanath government carried out a 50% cut in advertisement budget. In the ad budget of UP government, they brought about a 50% cut. So these channels decided to bang at Yogi government in order to blackmail them practically. Finally, what I'd like to...
Madhukeshwar,
Yeah.
no, we
Let
don't
me-
want to
let
go
me
into that
add one
space.
more.
Whatever cannot be
No, no,
verified, we
I'm
don't want to
saying-
say.
I'm
It is.
saying-
It
no,
may.
but
You
I
said
know
it as
what
per
I
your
want.
individual
That's
knowledge
fine.
and
Yes,
information.
that's
That is fine. But I want to focus.
That's
I
all.
want to focus on the commissioner's role.
I am bringing you to
Madhukeshwar,
that.
how big
I'm bringing you
a
to
breach
that.
of
I'm bringing you
privilege,
to that.
breakdown of law and order, trust in institution is this that a Mumbai top cop commissioner is fixing
But
people, is
Shivani,
fixing
Shivani,
entities like Republic TV
Shivani,
because
it's
of their
the
personal
same
hate
commissioner.
and vendetta.
It is no, it's more than that. One part is personal angst against Republic TV because you're exposing him and his political bosses. But don't forget, even in the instance of Mumbai terror attack and the fake narrative around Hindu terror, Parambir Singh has played a lead role in booking innocents and at the behest of ISI. He could well be in the payroll of the D gang. And we know very well that in recent years...
So where
Mumbai
is the
police-
outrage factory, Madhu, Savio?
Huh?
Where are the ones who outrage at the drop of a hat before getting their facts right and talk about democracy and trust in public institutions and talk about, you know, even bureaucracy and public officers like IPS officers being held accountable? Does that only work in some states? Is there no accountability for Mumbai and for Maharashtra?
You see, Shivani Parambir Singh has lost the right to continue as the Mumbai Police Commissioner for a simple fact that he's falsified information and brought it to public knowledge in an intent to target the Republic TV. Now, man in such a responsible position and the trust that the people of Maharashtra put in him, if he's going to do that for his personal enmity with Republic, then this man cannot continue in that office because that trust does not exist with him anymore. If he could do it to y'all and Republic TV, he can very well do it to sell the interest of India and sell the interest of the people of Mumbai. It is so clear. In fact, he has to be removed from his position. He cannot continue. You see, I can understand if he made an error. He's not made an error. He's done it deliberately. So this is a deliberate victimization of Republic TV. So he's quite capable of doing it to anybody else. And he cannot be in that position if he's doing this.
Absolutely. Savio, Madhukeshwar and Swapnil, stay with us. You know, this is how they've made a laughing stock of themselves is frankly abominable. You know, how people in such positions can be so stupid, first of all, to begin with, that they thought that they're going to just do a press conference and their word will carry far and wide and that nobody will care to look at the actual FIR or the evidences behind it, that they can just fix an investigation like this. This is a clear-cut case of fixing an investigation. It is prejudiced from day one, from the moment the Mumbai Commissioner came out and opened his mouth against Republic TV, not mentioning the fact that there are other channels mentioned in the FIR. And then, remember, 24 hours later, the Mumbai police, it's just so astonishing that they can do this and they think everybody is a fool. They try to say that we've done our investigation on the FIR. There is nothing. As far as the channels mentioned is concerned, we have only found proof against Republic TV. Where is that proof? Which witness gave a statement?
Story.
How was it
Isn't
recorded?
it a repeat of
You know,
the
you see,
story
Shivani.
in the Sushant Singh investigation?
Shivani,
This is
Isn't
just
it a
insane.
repeat
Allowed
of that?
Republic into
They
that
did
press
exactly
conference
that
if
in
they were
such a
honest.
serious murder case,
Right.
such as that of Sushant Singh.
Absolutely.
such
So,
as that of,
the intentions and the dubious way that the police commissioner has behaved or he functions, of course, he has a very dubious history, is now exposed. We'll continue to get you more. We have to slip into a very short break. We'll be right back.